Hello! God's gift angel warriors, Ma'am Maylene, and to all the admins. Thank you so much for your love gift to Clea. To Ma'am Quench Power. Ang hirap i-pronounce. But anyway, thank you so much. Ito po yung nabili ko sa binigay nyo. This one is the single receipt with the Pocari Sweat. It's almost 49 pesos. This one is 453. It's different receipt from Pocari because I thought it's already 500. So I decided to buy the Pocari Sweat to make it 500. Thank you so much for your love gift to my daughter. God bless you all. More power, more sponsor to our group. Wow, what do you want, Nak? Do you like the yum, 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 yum? So, thank you, Ma'am Quench Power. Hirap pronounce, ma'am. But anyway, thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you also to Admin Sheng. God bless you. Bye-bye na, Nak. Give me a open. Thank you again. Thank you is not enough, but God bless.